When last we met, we were talking about 4-petal flowers. Now we're talking about 2-petal inspins. So this is a 2-petal horizontal inspin, right? And I'm doing the petals at the front and the back. But you could also do this where you're doing the top and the bottom. In either case, what you're doing is you're cutting out 2 of the petals from the 4-petal inspin. And now we can either cut out the top and the bottom and be left with this 2-petal front and back, or horizontal one. Or, going back to the 4-petal, you could cut out the front and the back and be left with the 2-petal top and bottom. It's unclear to me which one is more difficult to do. Once again, let's go back to the basic Pilates drill for this. So the drill is the same as the drill that we were doing for the 4-petal. However, it doesn't have quite the same symmetry to it. Because what's happening is when your left is in front and your right is in back, you do your pedal, then you swing, and you do your pedal, and swing, and pedal. So it's almost like a pause, swing, 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 pause, swing. 4 more sets, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now we'll do the placement drill. So we'll hold it in multiple repetitions with the left hand first, starting in the front. And then we'll go to the back position, making sure to open your hip when you come to the back. Then you're going to come up over the top and come to the front. And then down across the bottom and going to the back. And then in the front, we're going to do 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. 2, 3, 4, and front. 2, 3, 4, and back. 2, 3, 4, front. 2, 3, 4, back. 2, 3, 4, front. 2, 3, 4, and back. 2, 3, 4. Great. Now, same thing with the right hand. So it's the same deal. You're in the front, you're holding it there, your hips are open to the left and the back. Then you're going to swing it all the way across the bottom to the back. You open the hip to the right, your left arm would be in the front. Then you're going to swing it up all the way over the top, open your hips to the left again, your right arm's in the front, and then swing it to the back, opening the hip to the right as you do. Now we're going to come to the front, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3, 4, front, 2, 3, 4 across the bottom, 2, 3, 4 across the top, 2, 3, 4 across the bottom, 2, 3, 4 across the top, 2, 3, 4 across the bottom, 2, 3, 4 and top, 2, 3, 4 bottom, 2, 3, 4 top, 2, 3, 4 bottom, 2, 3, 4. Last set of 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're going to try and do just the left hand at speed. So 1 rotation in each position. Now let's just try and slow it down. You want to get yourself spinning as slowly as you can so you can relax into the sensation, keeping nice posture and form, bringing your left arm to the front to begin with, and 5, 6, 7, go. Swing to back, swing to front, across the bottom to the back, across the top to the front, across the bottom to the back and the top to the front, bottom to the back, 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 top to the front. 8 more, and 7 more, and front, bottom, back, top. 5, and 4, bottom, and 3, bottom, back, top, and 2, bottom, back, top, and last one. And good. Now let's switch it up. We're going to do the right hand, same drill. Okay, starting with the right hand in the front. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bottom, back, top, front, 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 bottom to the back, top to the 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 front. 8 more. And 7, back, and 6, back, top, 5, back, top, 4, bottom, back, top, 3, bottom, back, top, 2, bottom, back, top, last one. And now we're going to do the drill for the weaker hand, whichever one is yours. I'm going to demonstrate the left hand. Remember to have good form. Shake it out. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Relax into it. Doing your weaker hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top to the front. Bottom to the back, top to the front. Bottom to the back, top to the front. Bottom to the back, top to the front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. 8 more. And 7. And 6 more. And 5 more. And last 4. And last 3. And last 2. And last 1. Oops, I skipped the back beat there, sorry. So now we're going to get uber crazy. We're going to do the placement drill with both hands. So the placement drill will try and maintain split time, and we'll hold each of the positions. So the left will be in the front, right will be in the back to start. We'll do 4 repetitions there, and 4 repetitions switched, and we'll try and go for, I don't know, something in the 15 to 20 range. Okay, so here we go. Breathe in. Let out any stress you might have. Here we go. Left one to the front, right one to the back. 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7.